Hi everyone, this is the unboxing video for my Dell XPS 16 with Intel Ultra 7 processor, 24 MB cache, 16 cores, up to 4.8 GHz with Windows 11 Pro and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. I can see that Dell has packaged it pretty nicely. There is a box inside the box in which it came, and I did have trouble finding the way to open it up. And there is actually a small Velcro to open that box. And as we open this box, I can see that it is nicely packaged in a sleeve. Laptop comes with one charger as well as one dongle for the USB-C to connect any HDMI or the devices or the USB-A devices. So the laptop that I ordered is the one with the frosty color. So we'll be opening it up now, and as we open it up we can see that again Dell has made precautions that the screen does not get any scratches. So this one is touch screen. The RAM on the laptop is 64 GB LPDDR5X 7467 mega transfers per second. The disk on the laptop is 4 terabytes PCIe NVMe solid state drive, and the display is 16.3 OLED UHD 3840 into 2400 Infinity Edge touch display. We will wait for the laptop to have the Windows 11 get started. And Windows 11 is up now. Thank you.